Alright, on this episode, we are going to be finishing this derby lawnmower. We've got to build a bar from here to here, here to there, and get it running perfect so it runs good. Let's get on to that. Alright, we got it in the shop, and we're going to get it started and see what it's running like. And then we got to see what we got to do from there. Alright, I think I figured out the problem. It didn't have any gas in it, so I don't know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it. That was a problem, I think. Now I figured out how to get gas and everything, so we're gonna give it another go and see if she'll fire. Alright, come to conclusion, the gas tank is way too small for this. It's getting perfect amount of fuel. It's just, that little gas tank is not doing it justice, so that's what we've got to do. Alrighty, we've got the new gas tank in. So, I guess now we pop the jumper pack on it. And see if she'll fire up. Gas is on, throttle's up. Well, it runs, but it doesn't, you can't rev it when you're driving it. Alright, next step is we've got to put the hood back on it and bolt it back down, and then we got to build 2 bars, 2 little things from here to the hood to bolt on, or weld, I don't know. It's going to be these 2 pieces. I'm going to bend them up just so the hood won't move, and then we'll be mint. So straight into that. I've got the X-bar all welded on the front of it to make sure nothing comes into it. So, yeah. Next task at hand, we are going to clean it off and paint it. I don't know what color yet, because I don't know what color we have. So we'll clean it up, clean all the bay up and everything, so my dad's not mad at me. Put all the tools up, and then we're gonna go spray it off and see what she looks like after. Well, done, painted, everything's done on it. She's gonna be ready to smash in no time.